Everyone was talking about the big fight between Tony Bellew and David Haye on Saturday, but the lunchtime kick-off between Manchester United and Bournemouth was more like a scene from UFC. Tyrone Mings stamped on Zlatan Ibrahimovic's head, with the Swede getting his revenge just moments later, throwing a savage elbow to Mings. Of course there had to be a red card. Somehow though it went to Andrew Sermon, who was sent for an early shower after 2 yellows. The game ended 1-1, and Tyrone Mings and Ibrahimovic have since been charged with violent conduct by the FA. Leicester's revival since sacking Claudio Ranieri continued, beating Hull 3-1 at the King Power Stadium. It's really nice to see the Leicester players start trying now. It's just a shame they couldn't do it for the man that gave the club their proudest ever moment. Swansea picked up another win under Paul Clement, with Fernando Llorente getting a winner in the 92nd minute against Burnley. Also at the bottom, Crystal Palace made it back-to-back wins, beating West Brom 2-0, which lifted them out of the bottom 3. Replacing them is Middlesbrough, who lost yet again, falling 2-0 to Stoke. God bless the stubborn-eyed Karanka, he still thinks his boring and depressing football will keep them in the Premier League. We had a 7-goal thriller at Vicarage Road, with Southampton beating Watford 4-3. As is par for the course now, Manolo Gabbiadini scored and was then substituted. Onto the evening kick-off, and there was more misery for Arsenal, who were beaten 3-1 by Liverpool. The game saw Arsene Wenger turn into a massive wind-up merchant. There's already a huge portion of Arsenal fans who want Wenger out, and then he goes and drops Alexis Sanchez. It's almost as if he wasn't even bothered about winning. Sunday saw 2 of the Premier League's top strikers face off, with Harry Kane's Tottenham facing Romelu Lukaku's Everton. It was the England international who came out on top though, with Kane scoring twice as Tottenham won 3-2 to stay second. Sunderland remain rooted at the bottom of the Premier League, losing 2-0 at home to Manchester City. It was a slightly better showing from David Moyes' side, but that really isn't enough right now. The Black Cats are now 6 points adrift. And finally, Chelsea beat West Ham 2-1 at the Olympic Stadium to maintain their 10-point lead at the top. One West Ham fan was so impressed with Eden Hazard's goal, he wanted to celebrate with the Chelsea players. Poor bloke didn't even get to see the rest of the game. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.